Hello everyone, so this is our Valentine crochet earring. We're going to start with a magic circle and then we're going to chain 1 to lock it, chain 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, triple crochet, two stitches at a time, 1, 2, 3, triple crochet, then we're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another triple crochet, so now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. You're going to go back to 3 triple crochet and a triple loop, triple chain and a triple loop, three chains again, 2, 3, and a triple loop, so you should have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes, and the final one you're going to chain 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you're going to single stitch to close that loop. Take your hook out and close the chain. And you should now have something that looks like this, a bit like a leaf. I'm going to try and hide this hanging loop. We're going to chain 1. Then we're going to do a single stitch, and we're going to start a single crochet, then we're going to do a double crochet, 11 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11. This is in the first hole. Then we're going to move over to the second hole and we're going to do 5 double crochets. So there's no transition, it's just continuing to the next hole, 5 double crochets. One, two, three. And on the third one, again, we're going to have 5 double crochets. 1, 2. So we should have 5 holes left on this side. So this is the middle one where we did the 5 chains, and on this middle one where we did the 5 chains, we're going to do 4 double crochets first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th and 6th, it's going to be a triple crochet. So 1, 2, so this is going to be slightly longer. Then another 1, 2, that's called a treble crochet or triple crochet. And then we're going to do 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to proceed with 5 double crochets on this one, 5 double crochets on the next hole, and then on the last hole we're going to have 11 double crochets. So it's a duplication, a repetition of what's on the other side. So this will be 5 double crochets. That's 5. We go to the next gap hole here, 5. And at this point I can leave this tail behind because I'm going to cut it. It's safe to cut it from there. And we're now down to the last hole here, and that's going to be 11 double crochets. That's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. To close it off, we'll do a last double crochet, and we're going to capture all 3 stitches together, and then we're going to do a slip stitch, and we're going to try and put it together with the other leaf here, somewhere right there in the middle. And we're going to do one more slip stitch. See, we can do that again. What I'm trying to do is get into a stitch right here in the middle. And because this is really tiny yarn, so it can be a bit of a challenge sometimes, I think. No, I didn't get it. Let me find another spot that's not too tight. And we're going to chain 1, maybe chain 2, and cut. And there is your Valentine earring. As you can see, it's pretty simple, doesn't take a whole lot of time. It's really cute. Let's cut, put a hook in the middle, and that's it. There we go. The yarn size is size 8, which is slightly bigger than yarn that you use for sewing, and the crochet size is 1.3. Good luck. Share if you try this.